Sprunki Nature Shifted. Okay, well here it is. So let's check out the credits. So the credits was, obviously we got So Far So Good creating Incredibox. Incredibox demo for the OG Incredibox Scratch template. Infinity Chubbs and Truly God for Muting System Edition. And we got the BJ for every recoding stuff. And here's also some credits. Samuel, I don't know, who did everything in this mod, so shout out to them. Victor did some designs. Gamden, Floorboard Guy, Nathan, Boomian, Catvan, Maple. Hey, Decaf Bud, Playzone. Okay, yo, here it is. Let's check it out. I don't know if it says lore at all. Settings. Gallery. There might be some spoilers for phase 3 of phases. Make sure you check the gallery, well, after the whole mod. All right, so here it is. Let's put in Orin. Oh my. Yo, the stress just hit him after those vines came out. Oh. This looks like it shouldn't have animations, but it actually does. Ratty. All right, Ratty fell in the dirt, got a little bit of dirt mark on his face. Oh. Okay. Clucker. Oh, look at Clucker. Whoa, that Clucker looks different. Let's see how this sounds. Big Beat is in town and ooh. Nice. Kill bot and yo, Funbot looks crazy. Look at this. He hit the. Oh my. Okay. All right, we got. Wait, there's a think bot. That's like the old school. We got Tobes. Oh, Tobes. Ooh, here we go. Oh, that sounds good. That sounds really good. I like that. I like that. That's fire. All right, Vineria. Whoa, look at Vineria. She's like a vine angel. Got the flowers. All those eyes, though. Is that necessary? Gray. Okay. Bruh, with the hurt eyes. Oh my. That's crazy. Wait, Garnel. Yeah, I was like, hold on a second. Hey. Oh, it's still work in progress. Oh, but look at OWAX. Okay. Sky. Oh my goodness. Yo. Look at that. Wait, what? What in the world? Yo. That was crazy. He's like, okay, Mr. Sun. Mr. Sun's a... How you make Mr. Sun a killer? Come on now, he's the sun. How he hold a knife without it melting? Oh. Yo, this is fire. This is fire. This is actually fire. Yo, that sky is crazy though. That's actually crazy. Dorpal. Oh, and Dorpal's he holding the flowers by the vines. Yo. I kind of want to see gallery. Official survivors. There's more survivors, by the way. So is Brud counted as a survivor? Really? Okay, Mr. Tree. Vita, Samuel, and Maple in the... What in the world? Wait, changing it to a PNG. Victor. Oh, that is me. I'll say Maple sounds pretty good. Okay, that's good. Jenny. Oh, Jenny looking. Wait, what says Milo though? Or did I put it? No. I was like, hold on. Did I put it? Oh, there's Milo. Luna. Oh, okay. Boomian. Oh. Who is this? Floorboard guy. I was like, I thought it said Camden. Oh, Camden looked kind of crazy. Any lyrics with yo. Are you ready for your night? This is good. This is really good. You actually cooked with this. Simon. Whoa. Yo, that is next level. And terrifying. Look at his face. Missing. Yo, who is that on his face though? That looks creepy. Tunner. All right, Tunner, as we know, Saul was one of the survivors. Wenda. Oh, she got her face bit off. From Vanir, the Grand Angel. You guys even think I'm good? Well, nah, bruh. I'm not even. My boss preferred me to hunt for blood. Yikes. Fact 1. Luna's actually crying in tears because her dad died from the rods. She's in depression. Couples, Maple and Tobes. Teaser for phase 3. What's behind her back is Jevon's cross. Oh, that's crazy. It's like, oh my goodness. All right, Pinky. Oh, Pinky's face. Yo, the way like you... Jevon too? Oh, that's why Luna's so sad, obviously. Yikes, Jevon got it bad. So look at these two. That's messed up. Oh. Yo, this was actually crazy though. And there it is, yo. Sprunki Nature